Jennifer Lopez has kicked off the renovation of her new mansion months after Ben Affleck's divorce. She has always been about reinvention on stage, on screen, and in real life. Jennifer Lopez is turning heartbreak into a renovation project, and not just the metaphorical kind. The multi-hyphenate superstar is swinging hammers and making bold design moves as she kicks off a major renovation on her new $21 million Beverly Hills estate, signaling a fresh chapter in both her personal and professional life. Fresh off her split from Ben Affleck, Lopez isn't just rearranging her emotional furniture, she's taking on a full-blown estate transformation. Her latest real estate gem is a sprawling 2.5-acre retreat tucked in the celeb-favored enclave of Beverly Hills, California. It features a main house clocking in at over 10,000 square feet, a guest house, a pool house, a private gym, a home theater, a set of equestrian stables, and a horse track. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And for those just joining us, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. According to Marca, the Spanish publication that first reported on the renovation, Lopez is fully hands-on with the remodel. She is renovating the home and making it what she wants to make it, a source told the outlet. She's spending money because she wants everything to have a personal touch. She wants the place to be luminous, happy, and sexy. While some might understand this as a post-breakup pivot, sources say it's more about peace than escape. Lopez, who first lived in Calabasas back in 2001, reportedly wanted to return to a quieter lifestyle. She wanted to get away from the crowds in the city and enjoy a quieter life. It's not about being away from Ben or his family, said the source. Still, the timing is hard to ignore. Lopez and Affleck tied the knot in 2022 and were living in a jaw-dropping Beverly Hills mansion, valued at a casual $68 million, by May 2023.